Alright, let's start it with a function declaration find max and it takes a parameter ARR. We are using the math.max method, which is a built-in JavaScript function for finding the maximum of a list of values. In this method, we are using spread operator to spread the elements in the array. This allows us to find the maximum element in the array easily. Now we got a numbers 3, 7, 2, 10, 5. We call our function findMax and we log the result to the console. We should see the maximum element. In this, we got an output 10. Thanks for joining me on this coding adventure today. Until next time, happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.